Okay guys, you are stuck with me today. Johnny has had a crazy couple weeks since we've been back from our trip. He's had some huge projects at work and I want to do something that's going to make him smile. So TVD Vinyl hooked us up with some awesome vinyl parts for our decals on our truck, and we are so excited to make our truck a little bit more specific to us. And I'm going to try and install it all by myself. Come with me, hang out with me, and then if you're new here, next week will be a lot better when Johnny's back and we're doing something together. Also, just know that Johnny is the one that is the camera and editing genius, so if this looks a little bit funky, just know that I'm trying my best. So what we're going to do is we're going to install some really awesome vinyl on our truck at different parts. Like right here on the iForce Max, we're going to install that TVD red, which TVD Vinyl really helped us nail down what colors are going to be closest to matching our truck, and they were so helpful. So if you guys do go ahead and get anything from TVD Vinyl, just know that they're going to really help you, and they can send you some samples so you can take some time to decide what you want. The second thing we're going to do is put the TVD Vinyl in our tailgate handle. With the Toyota, we have a gray that we chose, and we'll put all those color codes in the description in case you guys want to try them out for yourselves. We originally wanted a super dark gray, kind of almost looks black, and TVD Vinyl was like, hey, we'll send you out another option just in case that one's too dark. Here's a lighter option, and we did end up choosing the lighter option. They were right. Hopefully I don't mess it up too much and it'll turn out great. The third thing that we're going to do is install some TVD red on the TRD. We just wanted a little bit of a pop, and we wanted that red to kind of carry through. It's on the ignition button and it's on the shifter. This is a really cool, subtle way to do it. But I'm not looking forward to installing that because that looks very hard. That's why it's going to be the third thing that I do. Also thought it'd be worthwhile to give you guys a little update on our vinyl wheels. We have put over 6,000 miles and they are still looking great. We've washed them, we've driven them on dirt, on sand. Again, you guys saw our cross-country road trip, and if you have not watched it, please go check it out. It was really fun for us to make and for us to just go on that trip. It for sure has been a bucket list item that we got to check off our list. So please go support it, go check it out. Anyways, these wheels are looking great. The vinyl is really awesome, and we're excited to throw more of that TVD vinyl on our truck. I decided I'm going to start with the iForce Max badge and put in red vinyl on the Max. I figure it's going to be the easiest, and I want to kind of give myself a confidence boost before I have to go in and do the other one. So we're going to start here. TVD Vinyl did send us a ton of extras in case we mess up, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. If we only had one, I'd be stressing, but seriously, thank you for sending all the multiple options out. All right, you guys already know the drill. We're gonna get some alcohol on there, clean it up, prep the surface so that when we put the vinyl on, everything will stick really well. It's all in the prep. Stuff is for sure dirty. It's gonna look cool. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start with the X. It seems like the best way to go. Soapy water. Okay, I'm gonna let the sun dry some of that water out. Johnny bebop this. All right, let's put this A on. All right, we got another one on there. It's looking cool. I'm excited to see how it'll look at the end. We have just one more letter to do. All right, let's get the M on there. Try and get that just so perfect. Yes. All right, so we got this on here and I'm really happy with how it looks. It's looking good, and I think John's gonna like it. I'm excited to show him, but we've got a lot more to do, so let's get to it. This A might be a little bit crooked, but hey, it gives a character. Getting this prepped with the alcohol again. Get that soapy water. All right, getting that tea in there. Yo. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look cool. Wow, it kind of fits in there just perfect. I almost don't even need to adjust it. Again, TVD Vinyl suggested we don't go as dark as we originally wanted, and I'm happy with that because this gray is doing a nice pop. Oh my gosh. All right, so the Y might be a little crooked because I got distracted. But it's going good. Okay. Thanks to the squeegee, I got that Y straightened out. Okay. Bam, one more to go. All right guys, this is done. I'm really liking how it's looking. I like the gray and I think it complements the truck. The third thing that we're gonna do is make this TRD red. Prepping it with the alcohol yet again. Try to not let it drip everywhere, but I'm gonna start with the T. Squeegee. Nice. That looks awesome. R is next. Okay. I love this. I love seeing the red carried out throughout the truck. It looks OEM. It looks like it should be like this. Let's get the D done. That's looking good. Oh yeah. Last one, tea time. Now that it's clean, let's put the tea on. Sorry, my head was probably blocking that a little bit. Lefty problems. Use my right hand. Nice. Moving on to the racing. Bam. Okay, this is looking so good. Let's peel it off and see. This a little bit reminds me of those tattoos you used to do as a kid. Looking good. D for development. Perfect. Okay, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love the little pops, and that's just the cool thing about the Tacoma culture is that there's so many mods you can do to your truck to make it unique. And we're enjoying every bit of getting to do that with our truck. So see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with us, and please subscribe if you made it this far in the video. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so that would really help us out if you subscribe. Yes, we can. Don't forget to subscribe. It's berry season. Tastes just like cotton candy. Okay, Johnny, now that you're seeing it, what are you thinking?
I love the results. Like, look at this. The red being surrounded with the chrome still, it just makes it pop. It's not just one whole red thing. So I really love how it turned out, and it really matches the TRD of the truck. And these doors, come on. She did an incredible job. Here, punch in over here. I love this because it's just like how thin it is, and man, they cut it out really well, and my wife, she put it on really well. Like, it looks factory. Come on now.
That is true. It is very thin. I didn't like think about that.
That's really hard to put on there. You did a great job, babe.
Okay, babe. Should we have gone darker?
I don't think so at all. I really like this color. Reminds me of the cement color of the third generation. So I really like that. And I think it's really popping on this black plastic trim here. And it kind of, you know, shows through the back here. This looks really good. If it was any darker, it would just look like this Tacoma insert. So great choice. Looks amazing. Looks factory. So thanks, babe. Did an awesome job.